Beep boop bop, it's Becca, and welcome back to Baking with Becca. So today we're gonna go the classic route, and we're going to make some vegan chocolate chip cookies. So every recipe online claims that they are the best recipe out there, but today we are gonna make the actual best chocolate chip cookies ever. Here we go. So here are all of our ingredients. They are pretty basic for chocolate chip cookies, but the ratios are perfect. So here we have 2 1/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 3/4 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of softened margarine, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips.
Whoa.
What? So the oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to start off by mixing up our margarine. So we want to whip it up a little bit by itself just to get it nice and fluffy. We're going to use an electric mixer because it's going to help to incorporate everything. So here we go. Okay, that is nice and whipped, so now we're going to add both of our sugars. And it's nice to have a mix of 2 sugars. A little bit of a different flavor. And I'm going to whip this up until it's nice and fluffy. So as you can see, it is getting super fluffy, nice air incorporating in there, which is going to make our cookies nice and soft. And so now I'm going to add in the rest of the wet ingredients. So vanilla for flavor, and our water. And mix it up. So all of the wet ingredients are incorporated, and we're going to move on to our dry ingredients. So now we're ready for our dry ingredients. I'm going to add in a little bit of the flour. Do about 1/2 cup at a time, but I'm just pouring, so I'm guessing. It doesn't really matter. And the baking soda and the salt. And give this a good mix again. Okay, now the rest of the flour. And mix it until it gets nice and whipped. So we're done mixing the dough. And now we're going to add in the chocolate chips. So just pour them all in. And you can just use a spoon for this. I am so excited for these cookies. It's always nice to just have a classic recipe. Okay, so time to spray our pan, and of course, I love to use my pizza pan because it's just big and a circle. My favorite shape. I like to just use a paper towel to spread it out so you get it in every crevice. Okay, So now we are going to spoon out our cookie dough onto the baking sheet. You want to do about a tablespoon at a time. So I'm just going to use 2 spoons. And don't put them too close together because they're going to expand a lot when they bake. Okay, so our cookie dough is ready and these are going to bake for about 10 minutes, but you want to keep a close eye on them because as soon as they get a little bit golden around the edges, you want to take them out so then they stay soft. So the cookies are out of the oven, they smell so good, and you have like a nice big plate. Like this is a heavy plate of cookies. So make this for a party, you can feed so many people. And I have my milk here, so let's try one. I'm going to try this one. That's really good. These are super soft, so they have a nice crunchy bottom, but they're soft when you bite into them. Definitely the best cookies ever. Here, I claim that this is the best chocolate chip cookie recipe. So go ahead and try it. Let me know if you like the video, let me know if you like the recipe. Leave in the comments your ideas or things for the future that I can make, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!